तो वो लेबर को हायर करेगा, तो इकोनॉमी में एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्या करेगा, इंक्रीज करेगा। इकोनॉमी में एम्प्लॉयमेंट इंक्रीज करेगा तो लेवल ऑफ इनकम भी क्या करेगा, इंक्रीज करेगा। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। सी, प्रोड्यूसर विल प्रोड्यूस मोर आउटपुट, दिस लीड्स टू एन increase in employment leads to increase in income level in an economy. This process means जो प्रोड्यूसर तब तक ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस करेगा जब तक उसकी सप्लाई किन दोनों की डिमांड के बराबर ना हो जाए बेटा, कंज्यूमर और फर्म्स की। दिस प्रोसेस विल कंटिन्यू till aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. So this is the complete explanation of AD greater than AS. So I hope all of you have understood this condition, means AD less than AS. AD less than AS means all of you have understood this situation. See, now after this, please pause the video and note down this. See beta, see now aggregate demand less than aggregate demand greater than AS. What do you mean by aggregate demand greater than AS? When plant spending means AD is more than plant output means AS. What does it mean? It means then the AD curve lies above the 45-degree line. See, this line means, see, meaning of this line is the AD curve lies above the 45-degree line. See, this is AD line, and this is, you can say this is AD line, or this is, you can say this is AD curve, and this is 45-degree line. Means AD curve lies above the 45-degree line. It means consumers and firms together would be buying more goods than the firms are planning to produce. Means जो कंज्यूमर है और जो दूसरी फर्म्स हैं वो दोनों एक साथ इतनी परचेज करने की प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं कि जो फर्म प्रोड्यूस कर रही है उससे ज्यादा है। तो उस जो फर्म प्रोड्यूस कर रही है उसको क्या करना चाहिए, वो इन लोगों की डिमांड को फुलफिल करने के लिए ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस करेगी। ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस करने का मतलब क्या है बेटा, कि वो मींस ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस करने का मतलब क्या है, उसे मींस मोर लेबर की रिक्वायर होगी। मोर लेबर की रिक्वायर होगी तो इकोनॉमी में एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्या करेगा, इंक्रीज करेगा। और इकोनॉमी में अगर मींस एम्प्लॉयमेंट इंक्रीज करेगा तो लोगों की इनकम लेवल भी क्या करेगी, इंक्रीज करेगी। सी द फर्म्स आर प्लानिंग टू प्रोड्यूस, एज ए रिजल्ट प्रोड्यूसर विल प्रोड्यूस मोर आउटपुट, दिस लीड्स टू एन इंक्रीज इन एम्प्लॉयमेंट, leads to increase in income level in an economy. So I hope all of you have understood. Means this process will continue till AD is equal to AS. Means AD is equal to AS means economy will reach at equilibrium level of income. Economy will reach at equilibrium level of income because AD is equal to AS. Now see, AD less than AS. AD less than AS means aggregate demand is less than aggregate supply. Now how will you explain? See, how will you explain this? See, now when plant demand, when we can say when plant spending is less than, plant output, when plant spending is less than plant output, then the AD curve. See, this situation lies here. Then the AD curve lies below the 45-degree line. Then the AD curve lies below the 45-degree line. It means consumers and firms together would be buying less goods, because you know that AD less than AS. So demand is less than supply. So it means consumer and firms together would be buying less goods than the firms are planning to produce. As a result, means here output is greater than, means output, supply of output is greater than demand of output. Supply of output is greater than demand of output. So producer will cut down. So producer will cut down his output. See, as a result, producer will produce less output. You will write here, you will write for this. So producer will produce less output. This leads to a decrease in employment, because producer will cut down his output, means he will, you can say he will withdraw his labor, he will withdraw his labor from the production, means this leads to a decrease in employment, leads to decrease in income level in an economy. This process will continue till AD is equal to AS. AD is equal to AS. I hope all of you have understood. Means these two cases, case first and case second. Case first is aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Aggregate demand greater than aggregate supply, aggregate demand less than aggregate supply. See, means see, question from this concept. Please listen carefully. Question pattern from this concept. See, explain the determination of equilibrium level of income. Listen carefully. Income, output, employment, both are same. Income, output, employment, both are same. Both these are same. You can say all these are same. Income, output, employment, all these are same. Suppose if you write here income, if you write here output, both are same, but you can write also here employment. So all these are same. See, now what I'm saying here, explain the determination of equilibrium level of income, explain the determination of equilibrium level of output, explain the determination of equilibrium level of employment with the help of schedule and diagram. By using ADAS approach. First of all, you will write definition of this approach. Definition of this approach means, according to this approach, equilibrium level of income is determined where aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. What is the definition of this? According to this approach, equilibrium level of income is determined where aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. This is the definition of this approach. Now after this, you will show schedule, because you know that we have discussed in my previous video. Then after, you will show schedule. First of all, you will take income, consumption, saving, investment, then ADAS, means all of you have understood. Then after, you will show this diagram, means this type of diagram. After this, you will show this type of diagram, and you will explain this diagram. How will you explain? See, in above diagram, I'm explaining here in the above diagram, ADAS are measured on the y-axis. AD and AS are measured on the y-axis, and income, output, and employment are measured on the x-axis. See, AD and AS curve intersect each other at point E. So point E is the equilibrium point. And corresponding to point E, equilibrium level of income is OY. Equilibrium level of output is OY. Equilibrium level of employment is OY. I hope all of you are understanding. See, after this, you know that see at E point, AD is equal to AS, AD is equal to AS means this AD at E point, this AD at E point will be considered as an effective demand, Someone may ask from you, what is effective demand? What is effective demand? You will say that effective demand refers to that demand which is equal to AS, So I hope all of you have understood explanation of this diagram. After this, you will write after this diagram, after the explanation of this diagram, you will write first case and then you will write second case with the explanation. Then after the explanation of this diagram, you will write the first case and second case with their explanation. So your explanation will be completed and you will get full marks. So I hope all of you have understood. Finish. There are two approaches. To determine equilibrium level of income. First approach is ADAS approach. And second saving and investment approach. Second is investment and saving approach. I hope all of you have understood, means because we have discussed first approach, aggregate demand and aggregate supply approach to determine equilibrium level of income. But in my next video, we will discuss second approach to determine equilibrium level of income, to determine equilibrium level of output, to determine equilibrium level of employment in an economy. I hope this approach is clear to all of you. Please pause the video and note down this.